Welcome everybody to Oiltech Pro. Today we'll be taking the series on drilling operations. And to kick off, we'll start with the history of drilling for oil. Now, prior to the discovery of the first commercially drilled oil well by Colonel Drake, fondly called the Drake's Well, in 1959, in a place in the US called Tewksville, Pennsylvania. We have had various forms of drilling, starting with the spring pole for the Chinese, which they use to drill for salt water. This continued until the cable tube drilling became the common type of drilling method available, and this was what we used for the Colonel Drake's well. And in this scenario, we usually use a drill bit that we put in at the end or at the bottom of the hole and connect it to a cable. And this cable is also connected to what we call the working beam. A working beam is a mechanical device that provides an upward and downward force or motion on the drill bit, allowing it to penetrate the ground and hence provide the drilling or the cutting. The advantages of the cable tube drilling is that it's very effective for hard formations, but the obvious disadvantage is that for every step of drilling that you achieve, you will need to stop at a point and physically bail out your cuttings, okay, before you can continue, so that you can have a clean area to drill. And secondly, it is not usually good for soft formations, because that upward force and that upward and downward force that it provides to enable it to penetrate the formation can lead to sticking of the bit when this formation is very soft. Okay, and so for this various obvious disadvantage, okay, we had advancement, and today what we use is the rotary drilling system. Okay, so back to Colonel Drake's well in 1859 in Tewksville, Pennsylvania. Okay, the unique thing about this drilling operation was the doggedness and the diligence of the drilling contractor LP Drake, and his ingenuity in bringing out the casing, what we know today as the first casing that was run, to provide a kind of protection to the formation, not to allow it cave in after we have achieved some level of drilling. Okay, and to supervise the drilling operation, he employed the services of Uncle Billy, fondly called Uncle Billy, okay, who was more of the driller, and they achieved the first commercial oil well at 69 feet of depth of drilling. Okay, that was a very big feat as at then, but today we have drilling up to over 1,000, 5,000 feet of depth, okay, which we achieved through the rotary drilling rig system. And this rotary drilling operates on 4 key systems for its effectiveness and functionality. And these systems are, we have the hoisting system, we have the rotating system, And then we also have the circulatory system. And finally, we have the power system. Each of these is very critical and important and has various equipment that enables its operations, and all together, all the components put together enables a successful rotary drilling. Join us in our next class as we continue to look at the various systems in the rotary drilling, typical rotary drilling rig. I hope to catch you next time. In case you have not liked and subscribed, please do so and share, and we hope to see you in the next class. Catch you.